Hello everybody, Matt Dover, Special Task, Security Minded Friend. Here we're going to talk a little bit more about hotel safety. So we talk about sliding doors, and it's a big deal. So most people take advantage of this. I don't care if you're in an apartment, you're at a residence, or like we are here at a hotel. This is probably the most common thing that remains unlocked. So our special task suggestion to you is always keep this thing locked. This one's pretty easy. It's actually pretty nice. It's got it up and down, so it's pretty simple. It's a heavier door, which is kind of nice as well. Granted, we're a little higher up, but you'll see, it's got some, it's solid. So make sure you use that lock. Push it down. You can see the mechanism. It grabs pretty good. They're not foolproof, but if it had a bar in there, it'd be much better. But it is pretty good. So let's go out into the balcony. We'll talk about a couple other safety tips we'll talk about for safety for you. So here we are on the balcony. One of the takeaways here is what I'd always recommend is nobody goes this high up. Here we are on the 5th floor. As a rule of thumb, most ladder trucks for the fire engines will not go above 4th floor. I don't care what country, there are some exceptions to the rule, but why risk it? I always recommend the 2nd and 3rd floor. Keep in mind that you're on the 5th floor. How do you think you're gonna get away from, if there was a fire in here, there was an issue in here, how are you gonna escape? It's a 1-bedroom hotel room. You're gonna have 2 sheets. You're gonna tie 2 sheets to go down 5 floors. Take a look how far that is down. So let's go back to being realistic. Unless you're Spider-Man, Superman, or you got some special other crazy powers, you're not gonna make 5 floors down. Okay, so as a rule of thumb, special task always suggest 2nd, 3rd floor, 4th at the max. Don't go above that, okay? It's for your own safety. And the other thing to take away is you can see how all these hotel rooms are really close to each other. It would take me nothing to go from this room to that room really easily. Now, we always talk about is sliding doors. Most people don't lock them, okay? Odds are that one's not locked. The family next door that we're at right now, they've been gone for 2-3 hours. I know that. So it would take me nothing to get over there. Odds are they didn't lock their sliding door like most people didn't, and I'd be in and get to the valuables. We already talked about the safe and everything else that's accessible. So as we always say in special tasks, know before you go.